T-Mobile hotspot devices use LED lights to communicate their status. A solid green light means you're connected to the internet. Blinking green indicates it's searching for a network or updating. A solid red light signals no signal or a SIM card error. Blinking red often points to a hardware problem or low battery. Blue or amber lights can mean data throttling or you're roaming. A common issue is a blinking LED combined with no internet access. This often results from data depletion, poor signal strength, or overheating. Use the T-Mobile app to check your data and signal strength. If these are not the issue, proceed to reset options. If your T-Mobile hotspot has a blinking light and no internet, start with a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset using a paperclip to press the reset hole. Note that a hard reset will wipe your settings. Ensure your SIM card is correctly inserted and that your device's firmware is up to date via the T-Mobile app. Check your APN settings. They should typically be set to fast.tmobile.com. If these steps fail, contact T-Mobile support. Experts recommend prioritizing app-based resets over DIY hacks to avoid voiding warranties. According to a 2025 survey, 85% of hotspot issues were resolved within 24 hours via official support channels.